Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review on the Nerf Sling Strike. On the back, tells you a little about it, tells you where you load it from, and has 2 dart storages in it, and tells you to look for the crossbolt right here. Alright, so now I'm going to open it up. Alright, you get the instructions with it right here. You get 2 darts with it. Alright, got them out. And now this is held in by 2 things over here, 2 twist ties. And this part is held in by 2 twist ties too. Alright, now the gun is out, and goes together like that. It'll snap together, and this, I guess, just goes through here like that. Alright, it's all put together now. Has 2 dart storages, one on this side and one on this side. I think they should give you 3, because so you could keep 2 in here and 1 in the gun, but they only give you 2. So I like it. It's really comfortable. You pull this back to shoot it, and yeah, there's nothing else in there. Just make sure. Pull that back to shoot it, and let me see something. Let me put a dart in there. Yeah. Alright, it won't go back. If you try to pull it back with no dart in it, it won't go. See? I'm pulling and it won't go back. So you have to put a dart in there before it'll go back. Now it goes back. So I'm gonna shoot it. Shoots really good. Oh yeah, in here. Shoots really good. A lot better than I thought it would. Yeah, so that was my unboxing and review. Hope you liked it.